Seatbelt sign has been switched off. For your safety, we advise you to have your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please ensure that your luggage is securely stowed. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment. For your reading pleasure, a copy of our in-flight magazine, Sail Winds, is available in your seat pocket in front of you. Please feel free to take it with you. Electronic devices may now be in flight safe mode. Breakfast will be served during the flight. We'll be screening some silent features shortly to enjoy the show. Thank you.
Where's your car? Where's your car?
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that wireless and flight entertainment is available on the aircraft. You may use your personal electronic devices to connect to the onboard wireless and flight entertainment. For media content, please refer to the entertainment guide in your in-flight magazine series. Please be informed that the system does not provide internet connection. Kindly refer to the instruction guide available in the seat pocket in front of you. Please ensure that your electronic devices are turned to airplane mode. Thank you.